Thank you for coming to our quick YouTube video on online tutoring, which the Writing Center offers. You can find us at owl.kenyon.edu, making your appointment with any tutor. Select the date and time that work best for you because we're here to online tutor during all of them. Choose yes for the Meet Tutor Online option because this is how you'll meet with them online. When you're ready for your appointment, log back into owl.kenyon.edu. Select the yellow square if you're in calendar mode. Select from your list of appointments if you're in standard display. Choose the red box that reads Start or Join Online Consultation, pictured here. And your appointment will begin when your tutor logs in. Thanks so much. If you have questions, you can email me, Professor Scanlon, at scanlon1@kenyon.edu.